And we've got an update coming in from our sources on the big political fight that's on in Rajasthan at this point of time. Sachin Pilot, who's been escalating tensions hour by hour against his arch rival Ashok Gehlot, his boss and Chief Minister of Rajasthan. Sources now telling India Today that Sachin Pilot may take the plunge, ditch the Congress and join the BJP. That's a possibility that is very strongly being felt. Sources saying Sachin Pilot may be preparing to do just that. I want to go across to our National Affairs editor, Rahul Srivastav, for more. Rahul, what are your sources telling you? Is it target BJP for Sachin Pilot?
Shiv, one bit of news which has been going around and that Sachin Pilot may be joining BJP as soon as tomorrow. I have a very strong denial on that there is right now no plan to join the BJP. Now, that is what I have been told, but I always also know that when somebody says yes or no in politics in a crisis like this, always measure it and wait and see the circumstances. See, there are several MLAs in Rajasthan, like they were in Madhya Pradesh, who were loyal to Sachin Pilot or say Jyotiraditya Scindia, but they were not happy going with the idea of going to the BJP in the initial, when the game really taking the government started. And that is why perhaps there could be denial with the BJP. The idea right now is to raise the plank of the pride of Sachin Pilot, the manner in which he has been treated, the manner in which he has been asked to be part of a probe vis-a-vis a sedition case, which is ordinary case of poaching of MLAs. And I think to build on that, to keep that flock together, which might be unhappy with the actions of Ashok Gehlot, maybe siding with Sachin Pilot, the word right now is very clearly that Sachin Pilot is not joining the BJP as soon as tomorrow. But what one can say is that Sachin Pilot, it seems, has crossed the Lakshman Rekha. I had a conversation with him in which he clearly said that Ashok Gehlot does not have the numbers. What does it really mean? That he controls a sizable number of MLAs who will not go with Ashok Gehlot. That's what, if that is what the situation is, means there is a confidence vis-a-vis Sachin Pilot that he has nearly 30 odd MLAs, because that's the basic prerequisite for endangering the government led by Ashok Gehlot. So tomorrow when the MLAs meet, I think that's going to be a very crucial time with two sides of the story trying to get their flocks together. But definitely one can say is that a lot is over between Sachin Pilot, Ashok Gehlot and the Congress party tonight as we are at 11 o'clock in the night.
Very interesting. Stay with me, Rahul.